Folsom Street is in San Francisco's South of Market, Soma neighborhood, home to the Soma Filipinas and leather and LGBTQ cultural districts, and major cultural, entertainment, and retail destinations. The street was originally developed for industrial activity and to move vehicles and goods through the area as quickly as possible. Now the area is a key cultural, entertainment, economic, and residential hub that has more people walking, bicycling, and taking public transit. The Folsom Streetscape Project goals include improving comfort, safety, and access for people bicycling, walking, and riding transit in Soma, enhancing the street with new street trees, seating, additional street lighting, and cultural markers such as decorated crosswalks, plaques, and signage. Folsom Street is part of the San Francisco Vision Zero High Injury Network. This means that Folsom Street is part of the 12% of streets in San Francisco that receive 68% of the city's severe traffic injuries and fatalities. Pedestrian challenges include high vehicle volumes and speeds, pedestrians not feeling seen by drivers when crossing the street, long distances to cross the street and walk from block to block. Bicyclist challenges include the bike lane is narrow for current and future bicyclists, there isn't full protection for bicyclists next to moving vehicles, and there isn't a way to prevent vehicles from parking in the bike lane. Also, the current design has vehicles turning right at the traffic light while bicyclists are proceeding straight, creating potential unsafe interactions. The Folsom Streetscape Project will improve Folsom from 2nd to 11th Streets with the following design enhancements, just to name a few. Two-way east-west bikeway protected by a concrete median, transit-only lane, wider sidewalks, decorative street crossings and benches, new street trees and landscaping. The Folsom Streetscape Project is part of a greater effort to improve not only Folsom Street but also Howard Street. The project team went through a 3-year public engagement process starting in 2016 that revealed 2 critical community needs: improving traffic safety, especially for people walking and bicycling, and improving how people experience the street through seating, lighting, and trees.
Folsom Street between 2nd and 5th Streets runs through the Yerba Buena Community Benefit District, and it is a pretty significant street in our neighborhood. It is home to many of our neighborhood residents, including lots of seniors. It provides access to the Yerba Buena Gardens, which includes a lot of different children's facilities. We have a transit hub, we have office buildings, we have small businesses, and we have a lot of excellent bars and restaurants on that street as well. So ensuring that Folsom is safe for this variety of constituents and all users is extremely important. The transit lane improvements and the bike lane improvements ensure efficiency and safety for alternative types of transportation. The measures to keep car traffic at a safe speed is important, of course, for drivers as well as pedestrians who walk along the street. The bulb outs are an excellent amenity to shorten crossing distances for our seniors and for our children especially who are crossing this busy street. And they also provide opportunity in some instances for amenities such as greening and benches and places to enjoy the neighborhood outside. And of course, the graphic crosswalks are especially exciting to us as we pride ourselves on being the art and culture hub of San Francisco, and so bringing in these additional artistic elements that also serve as safety features is extremely exciting in our neighborhood.
Soma Filipinas Director Raquel Rodon Diaz states that residents, workers, and community members in the South of Market neighborhood have been working with the SFMTA through the Folsom Streetscape Project and the Active Communities Plan to address pedestrian safety and income inequality when it comes to biking and using the active transportation network, and making changes that address the high speeds of cars, bikes, and electric modes of transit impacting Soma streets and sidewalks. She states, "We are especially excited to see the implementation of creative place-keeping and place-making components like the community design crosswalks and Soma Filipinas street signs and proposed gateway that will be vital street calming and neighborhood affirming improvements to the day-to-day experience of Soma residents and community members." The SFMTA is partnering with SF Public Works and contractor Mitchell Engineering to install the improvements on Folsom Street. Construction is expected to begin in early 2024. The project team will connect with communities through door-to-door outreach with businesses, mailers, an open house, and a pop-up event. Stay tuned and subscribe for event updates at sfmta.com/Folsom Howard.